Understanding Unity of Spirit, exploring its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase, unity of spirit. This phrase is not just about the words, but about the deep meaning behind them. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, academic purposes, or just out of curiosity, understanding such phrases can really enrich your language skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, unity of spirit, is a bit abstract and can be interpreted in different ways depending on the context. Generally, it refers to a situation where people are united in their thoughts, feelings, or purpose. It's about harmony and agreement at a very deep, emotional, or spiritual level. Imagine a team working together seamlessly or a family sharing the same values and beliefs. That's unity of spirit in action. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. The volunteers showed a remarkable unity of spirit in their efforts to help the community. 2. Despite their differences, the group found a unity of spirit in their shared passion for music. 3. The festival was a celebration of unity of spirit among various cultures. Notice how in each case, the phrase is used to describe a deep, harmonious connection among people. Sometimes, it's easier to grasp a phrase's meaning by looking at similar expressions. Here are a few synonyms or related phrases. Solidarity, harmony, unity of purpose, shared values. Understanding these can give you more ways to express the same idea in English. Unity of spirit isn't just a language concept. It's a powerful idea in real life. In teamwork, it leads to better collaboration. In families, it fosters stronger bonds. And in society, it can bridge gaps between different groups. Recognizing and appreciating this phrase helps in understanding not just language, but also the values and dynamics of different social structures. I hope this exploration of unity of spirit has been enlightening and useful. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about understanding the culture and the deeper meanings behind expressions. So, keep learning and stay curious. See you in our next video.